So, because I missed one, an important one. So tell all of the healthcare professionals, right? So this is basically everyone who's remotely involved in my healthcare. I need to let them know that I am using Ludens cough drops. But in addition to that, down here, I missed this one. Tell the doctor if your if your child is breastfeeding a baby, you will you will need to talk about any risks to the baby. So, I mean, since I've emailed my doctor or called my doctor anyways to let them know I'm using Ludens cough drops, if my child happens to be breastfeeding a baby, it's a perfect time to talk to the doctor about the risks so that I know them well enough to inform the baby about the risks.